convening the House. The suggestion has come from one of the members from Rangsapuna, and after discussing it in the House and debating it, it has been more or less accepted by everybody, including the mover of the resolution, because in the resolution also, the mover had mentioned that the government should examine the demand for winter capital. And so therefore, going with that spirit, even though the resolution was withdrawn, which we requested, of course, and we will go ahead with the constitution of a committee. We will involve all party leaders in it and some stakeholders, and we will do extensive consultation with the community at large, different NGOs, organizations, and see how to take it forward.
What does it mean?
Well, aspects to it. When we say winter capital, technically it means that that definitely the entire executive wing will be shifted for a certain period, and the assembly sessions will be held in that area. So there are multiple aspects, mainly these two. But apart from the sessions, in a way, the executive work that we have initiated is going to, in any case, lead to some kind of localization of the services. So the integrated administrative complex that is coming up or is going to come up in Tura will serve large part of the purpose of the executive side, and the chief minister and other ministers and chief secretary also will be sitting there. So in effect, actually, a lot of the work will be done. Similarly, we are doing administrative complexes in July also. So similarly like that, we will ensure that as much of the infrastructure can be provided at the grassroots to enable better service to the public.
So in terms of financial implications, you mentioned that it is not a big aspect. But
no, it is important. There's no doubt about it. But we cannot look at this particular aspect only from the cost factor, is what I said. There will be some money that will be required. But it is, you have to look at the larger implication of the message that you're sending, of reaching out to the people, of involving people and taking everybody along. And I think that message of integration is what is more important, is what I said. But yes, there will be cost factor. Like, for example, simple thing like the setting up the integrated administrative complex in Tura at a cost of 170 crores. So all these kind of expenditures to set up these infrastructures will be required.
So usually the resolution of an opposition member is rejected. How do you see the gesture of the opposition leader in this case?
Yes, of course. As I said, he has clearly, from seeing the overall method in which he has worded the resolution, as well as the fact that he has withdrawn the resolution, he had a certain aspect which he wanted to bring forward, that we should discuss this matter. I think that message has gone, and he has himself expressed that the message that we should discuss this and we should take this further has been in a way accepted, and Chief Minister has replied to it and given an assurance that we will definitely examine it. So I think it's a very positive way. What is more important for us is to always look at the larger perspective and see the larger purpose of what we are all trying to do. So it was a positive message, is what I would like to say. Huh?
Thank you.